are in the NTA community. Came to see one ill producer. Let's take a walk.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain, but will it make sense?
We are in the NTA community. N as in Nimba.
I swear.
NTA community.
The community is simple, bro.
Right.
Very simple.
Came to see one ill producer. Benny. That's Benny on the beat.
Shout out to the man behind the camera, man.
We put your boy, see us
No, we're going in. I can't dispose it.
Yeah. The leisure life and travel out here in the NTA, man. Say M now. NTA community. That's what's up. Let's take a walk. The breeze. No trees bring breeze.
True.
Did you get that right?
I swear.
Yeah.
I hope you didn't forget to capture the sun, though. That sun.
That's so sad, eh? Yeah. Y'all wanna know why I came to see the producer?
Hey.
Y'all way small.
Yo, watch out for it. Yo, watch out. Shout out to Benny B. Benny. Shout out.
you know, well known all in his community. You heard that, right? Shout out to Benny Beats. Yeah,
I'm waiting, bro. Shout out you, boss.
everybody on some Sprite already now. A holiday, but nobody hollering. A holiday, but nobody hollering. Everybody looking for it right now. So I hope I carry all the money to Qatar.
Yeah. Man, you know, go to the Arab boys that burn money.
Every street, every corner, every step we take is Vinny.
I'm a cool guy.
Man hood.
I'm a cool hood guy, no problem, and you know. Yeah. I like to go around the community people and they ain't know they like to.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
You gotta spread the love now.
I said, oh, that ball coming by again on the.
I hope you got that
So we are approaching the Somalia Drive, the main street. Yeah, this runs all the way to Red Light. From Freeport to Red Light.
The road was really bad, but you know, they worked on it. We made it out of slowly. It took a couple of years though, but you know, we're grateful. Thank you for visiting me. It's a pleasure.
It's really a pleasure.
I would love to see you.
We just started.
I swear. Yo, watch out for something in 5.